Getting ready for your Texas TDLR Cosmetology Practical and worried about the hair extension service? Don't be. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through exactly how to set up, section, attach, and remove extensions the exam-approved way, clean, controlled, and state board ready. Follow these steps and you'll walk in confident and walk out licensed. The extension service on your TDLR practical exam isn't about speed or creativity. It's about control, cleanliness, and safety. Examiners want to see clean, sharp sectioning, proper distance from the scalp, consistent tension, sanitary handling, smooth attachment, and safe removal. If you can demonstrate control, you earn points. If you stay sanitary, you keep points. This service is scored on technique, not style. I've sanitized my hands. I'm disinfecting my station and preparing a clean working area. I'm draping my mannequin with a clean towel and chemical cape. Section the hair into 4 clean quadrants. For extensions, you'll be working in one quadrant, usually the back or front right, depending on the examiner's direction. TDLR uses a simulated extension service, meaning you're not required to fuse, bond, or tape anything. They're grading your control, not your product. I'm taking a small parting, matching the size of my extension strand. I'm placing the extension approximately 1 to 4 inches from the scalp to avoid tension. I'm securing the extension using consistent, even tension. I'm ensuring there is no cross-contamination, and I will re-glove if necessary. Once the extension is attached, gently test the bond to ensure it's secure. It shouldn't slip, slide, or pull. If it moves, it's incorrect. I'm checking the extension for security. The attachment is smooth, controlled, and not placed on the scalp. TDLR does not require full styling, but showing clean blending technique demonstrates skill. Lightly comb the natural hair over the extension to show control. Next, you must demonstrate proper removal. This proves you understand safety and are not causing damage. I'm demonstrating safe removal using a controlled downward motion. I'm placing removed extensions into the trash bag immediately. I'm sanitizing my hands and tools before moving on. Cleanup is part of your grade. Make sure every step is spoken aloud. I'm removing the cape and towel without shaking debris. I'm cleaning and disinfecting my station. I'm placing tools in the proper disinfectant or soil container. Join my full mock exams, coaching, and TDLR preparation program at stylistfactory.me. Don't waste $300 on retakes. Pass the Texas way the first time.